going to take Smashbox's Photo Finish Primerizer, which is kind of like a moisturizer and a primer in one. I'm also going to use a Smashbox foundation, and it is a 15-hour wear hydrating foundation. I don't know why I'm using all these. My skin is oily. I don't know why I'm using all these like hydrating products, but this is the one I'm going to use in 2.16 with a Sigma curved Kabuki F83 brush. For concealer, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty concealer, and I'm in the color 06G. I really have no idea what kind of look I'm doing today, like none whatsoever. This color is probably too light for around my face. So I'm just going to blend it out with the brush that I was using, my foundation brush. Dang, I forgot this concealer dries fast. I really like it, but I feel like it dries really fast. I have a new setting powder that I want to try out. It's this Derma Blend, but I'm actually not going to use it under my eyes right now. This time I do want to try it, but I'm just not going to do it today because it's a Derma Blend Illuminating Banana Powder. Normally when I use banana powders, so for under my eyes, I'm just going to use a little bit of the Huda Beauty Pound Cake setting powder. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with a little bit of this because I just want to test out the color, because normally when I use banana powders, I can't really, I'm so light that I can't really use them. They come up, well, in person they'll look okay, but then when I'll take a picture or something, it'll look really, really yellow under my eyes. Like, it just doesn't work for me. So I don't want to try that out today under my eyes, but I am going to use it around my face. Okay, so I'm going to try that. I'm going to set the rest of my face with this powder. Looks pretty good. I wanted a black base, so I'm going to take Sigma's Wicked Gel Eyeliner, and I'm going to apply that with a flat brush all over my eyelid, just under my crease, and then I'm going to end up blending that before it dries. I'm going to blend it upward just to kind of diffuse any harsh lines. That I'm going to be using today is the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going to take this bottom purple color, like a violet color, and I'm going to apply that with a Sigma E38 blending brush into my crease, and I kind of had to go over it a few times until I got the intensity that I wanted, but I just blended that into my crease. And then I'm going to take the shimmery purple color and I'm going to apply that all over that black gel eyeliner that I applied first, and then I'm going to add a little bit of glitter on top. And this is from NYX. It was from their holiday collection last year, so I'm not sure if they still have it, but it's just a purple glitter, and I'm using Emotive's glitter adhesive to apply that. And then I'm just going to apply it on top of that adhesive all over where I applied that purple shadow. The lower lash line is pretty simple. I just added black to it. Kind of went a little bit more of a more intense black on the lower lash line, and then I blended that out with one of the browns, the one I'm pointing to in the palette, and then I added black to my waterline, which was from Milk Makeup. To warm up my face a little bit, I'm going to take Benefit's Hoola bronzer. I'm going to have to call this like a New Year's Eve look or something, because I don't know why I haven't done like any holiday type looks, like Christmassy type looks. I've just been doing like random crazy colors instead of like the typical colors you would think I would be doing right now, or typical looks. But I don't know, I just feel like there's enough of those out there. There's enough of those out there right now, so little section right here on my face that just does not take bronzer at all. It's like right here. This little area right here, bronzer just doesn't stay on it. I don't know why. So let's just ignore that little part right there. I'm gonna use some of that setting powder to clean up under my cheeks. Do my nose before I forget. I was gonna start vlogging yesterday, but I was in the car and then I was in the car when I was gonna start, and then whoa, this looks really dark on camera. Shoot. I was gonna start and I was in the car, and then I realized that my little suction thing to hold my camera, somebody stole it when they broke into my car, so I don't have it, so I gotta order another one. So I just didn't end up doing anything at all, vlogging at all. Just gonna wipe this off. This is a Milani Kabuki fan brush. I'm gonna use this Sigma blush cheek palette, and I just stuck my nail in it. That's awesome. I'm gonna use the color Mod Mauve. Just like lightly tapping it, not going too crazy. And then for that's not the highlight. The Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter in Radiant Rose Gold. I really, really, really love these highlights. So I think I just used this in a recent video, but I'm gonna use Dose of Colors Heartbreaker and then the Bombs Plump Your Plucker lip gloss in Overstate. I have glitter everywhere. I swear I hate glitter. It's actually from the holiday collection, the Dose of Colors holiday collection, so I'm not sure if they have it like regular. And this is also from the Bombs holiday collection.